Diwali is one of the most widely celebrated festivals of our nation. This festival of lights is full of vibrance and brings fun and togetherness. Diwali was an exciting time when we were kids, and it's same for our little ones too. Sweets, new clothes, and delightful crackers make this festival worth waiting for throughout the year, but only if you stay safe. On the flip side, Diwali is also the time when many fire accidents and injuries occurs. Though it is it is holiday for most people, fire departments and hospitals are on constant alert on Diwali. A safe and happy Diwali doesn't seem like a big deal, but every Diwali brings fresh crop of cases involving burn injuries and freak accidents. So it is necessary for parents to take safety precautions during Diwali and follow them religiously. The most common cause of accidents during Diwali is mishandling of fireworks. Parents need to know the nuances of fireworks safety for children to have a happy and safe Diwali. For instance, you should know what type of fireworks are suitable for your child age. Never allow young children to handle fireworks without close adult supervision. Buy fireworks only from a government licensed shop and keep crackers away from toddlers and babies. Follow the instructions written on the crackers box and follow all the safety precautions. Keep crackers away from toddlers and babies and make sure that kids are wearing appropriate footwear. Avoid loose clothes as they can catch fire quickly. Do not wear clothes made of silk and synthetic material. While lighting rockets, ensure that they facing upward and do not face an open window, door or road. Light the crackers from an arm length distance or not any closure. Do not light crackers while holding them in your hands. Always keep a safe distance from crackers while lighting. Do not burn crackers in crowded places or inside the house. Burst crackers in open spaces like playgrounds and fields. Last but not the least, discard used cracker in bucket of water and always keep buckets of water and blankets ready in case of an accident. So with a few safe tips for Diwali celebration, you and your kid have a wall of a time during this year's festivities. Ensure a happy time with a few precautionary measures. Or better still, you can also consider going for an eco-friendly Diwali with no crackers to teach your kids that the festival season also can be an environment friendly too. Thank you so much and have a happy and safe Diwali.